Well, floodwaters in Houston may barely have begun to recede, but already scientists are studying the patterns and the effects of Storm Harvey. Michael Wehner is one of those scientists, and he joins us now from San Francisco. There's no doubt the amount of rain has been absolutely colossal, but why is Hurricane Harvey worthy of scientific study?
Well, it's just for that reason. It is an unprecedented event. It's unusual in many aspects. And so it is a serious tragedy for the people of Texas, but it also is an opportunity because of the high quality data that has been, meteorological data that has been collected over the course of the storm, to learn more about hurricanes in general and unusual landfalling hurricanes that stall out like this one did.
And that's one of the main reasons it's caused so much damage. It just has slowed down to a walking pace virtually.
Yes, and you know, this has happened before, but it's not a frequent event. The copious amounts of rainfall that fell onto the Houston area is of particular interest to me. I study the effect of climate change on extreme weather, and it is my opinion that some of that rain was that total rainfall was increased, you know, by about 10 to 15% or so, because of the warmer temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico.
And you mentioned climate change there. How do you think your research might either outline what difference that's made, or indeed how we can approach these events in the future?
Well, there's two interesting questions. One's easy, one's hard. And the easy one is how much more rain there was because it was warmer. The hard question is, did climate change have any influence on the chance of the storm stalling as it did? That's a much more difficult question. These things will take, you know, quite some time to settle out. There will be a difference of opinions among scientists. That's how we do our business. You know, when somebody makes a hypothesis, they test it, they publish it, it gets peer reviewed. If it passes peer review, then the rest of the community will go and critique it with their own point of view, and eventually hopefully the truth comes out.
All right, climate scientist Michael Wehner there. Thank you very much indeed.